Come on, man, you're totally missing out.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm pretty happy over here with my corn, but thank you. Come on, having a sunbath is an essential part of being a hamster. It's what we do. Yeah, I'm really not trying to get sand on my corn, so I'm gonna have to pass on that. You could just, like, leave it for 1 minute.
1 minute?
Take a quick dip in the sand and then go back to the corn. You know what? Your argument is very compelling. Really? But this corn is also very compelling. So, no thanks, I'm good.
We've been hanging out in Donegal and finding out about your amazing pets.
It's time to catch up with Eva, Alana and Sophia, who love animals so much they turned their home into a farm.
We joined them to see what life is like when living with all your favourite animals.
Hi, I'm Eva. And I'm Sophia. And this is Alana. This is our home and we have lots of animals. Let's go see. So this is Spike and he's a bearded dragon and he's 4 years old. He loves eating fruit and vegetables, and when it's a good day, he likes going on the grass. So Eva, what animal do you want to see next? The guinea pig. This is Unicorn, and he eats lettuce, he eats cucumbers. This is Doggy. Yeah, that's broccoli. And after he would eat like lunch or anything, he would snuggle up in there to like go to sleep. And anytime he's hungry, he goes like, then that's how we know how to feed him. So this is our bird called Birdie. He is 3 years old. He's a lovebird. He could like bob his head when we sing a song so he can dance. I get you, 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 I get you. So it's time to feed Buddy the ram. Buddy needs extra care because he's really old. He's no good for the yos anymore, so he's a pet ram and we have to feed him. Our last animal we need to share with you today is our bees, so let's go get our suits on. The smoke makes them all calm and nice so they won't harm you. The great thing about having bees is that we get honey. These are the frames we take out of the hive. They were all covered in honey, and then it goes into this big box. Thanks for visiting us and our pets. Bye! Class!
So, what did everyone bring for lunch today?
They brought some crumbs they found in the coach.
Ooh, couch crumbs. Love those.
I brought a pumpkin.
What? Where'd you get a whole pumpkin from?
I found it.
Hold on, how'd you even get that in here? It weighs like a million. You know what? No, I don't want to know.
I found this ball of something.
Okay, mystery ball. Now we're talking.
Yeah, I found it in the trash out back.
Okay, that's disgusting.
I've got a piece of grass.
Okay, and Philip's on a diet.
Fluffy is 3 years old. She has blue earlobes, black skin and black bones.
You said blue earlobes?
Yeah, look, you can see her blue earlobes.
What makes them different to other chickens? It's the fact that they have fluff instead of feathers.
Yeah, they're just fluffy, silky feathers.
Oh yes, it is quite fluffy.
It's kind of like mine. Touch mine and touch feels the same.
Yeah, it's similar.
No, Fluffy's one's better.
And how do you care for a silky chicken?
Well, she's kind of like a normal chicken. She'll go into bed on her own when it gets dark. And, well, they go broody a lot more than normal chickens. She's hatched 1 chick out of 3 eggs.
So I've heard that Fluffy is a fashionista.
Yeah, she's got a few outfits. Her favourite one is her bear onesie.
Does it keep her warm? Is that why she likes it?
Although she's fluffy, her feathers aren't as waterproof or heated as like other chickens' feathers, so she gets cold very easily.
She is stunning.
Hello, little guy.
Back.
Hello.
Oh! Oh! Did you get that? I smell that. Ooh. Some may say that's karma.
So, Emily, what makes silky chickens a great pet?
They're very chill, and they're also not that bright, so they're not very good at escaping or running off.
Sounds like my kind of pet.
Next, I'm off to meet Angelina and the talented princess.
Jump. Donna. Jump. It's a good girl.
Well done, princess.
Good girl, princess.
Wow, she's got some speed on her.
Yeah, she definitely does.
Oh my
for
God,
such a
well
small
done.
dog.
Angelina, could you tell me a little bit about Princess?
Princess is a rescue from the Cavan SPCA. She was found on the side of the road.
Oh no.
Yeah, we only have her a year and she's already competing in agility.
Would you recommend to people that they should rescue dogs instead of buying
Yeah,
new dogs?
definitely. It's better to rescue, to give them a second chance, because look what they can do.
And is it true that you have 7 other rescue dogs at home?
Yes, I do.
Oh, could you name them all?
Okay, Boots, Buster, Darla,
Yeah.
Lady,
Yeah.
Fluffy,
Almost there.
Sophie,
Oh, God.
and Hope.
That's crazy. Your house must be like a madhouse.
Yeah, it is, definitely.
Is it true that Princess has more tricks up her sleeve?
She does.
Right, let's demonstrate. I need to see this now.
Okay. Ready, back, back. Good girl.
Yay!
Yay.
Good girl, Princess.
Jump. Yay, girl.
Oh, now I want to
Nice.
have a go. Do you think she'd do it on me?
Yeah, she definitely will.
So what leg is it?
So you can put out your right leg. Okay, ready?
This is so silly.
Okay, ready, back. Girl. Okay, sit.
She's sitting pretty. Is she sitting pretty? Someone noticed she is.
Good. Okay, good girl. Yay, good girl.
I feel like I did something crazy. And I give her a treat for that. That was just brilliant. Here you go.
Good
Sit
girl.
pretty. Sit good girl. I think I'm going to be a trainer. This is so much fun. I kind of want to take her home with me, but I can't.
Yeah, she probably would go with you.
She's just the best girl ever.
Good girl.
Oh, did you see those little legs go? I wonder if I could teach Rocco to sit up on my shoulder like that. Aw, aren't we a cute pair? See the resemblance? Well, now it's time to see who else looks this good with their pet in Doggy Doubles. That's a definite doggy double from Bella and Xena.
Do Alfie and Turpik here look alike? Well, they are cute.
This is Jack and a llama. I think it's the curls that make this one work.
And last up is Robin and Georgie. They could be brothers. Well, maybe if you squinted a little bit.
The next pet owner we're meeting is Grace and her dwarf hamster, Charlie.
Is it literally just like a tiny hamster?
Yeah.
And where does he live?
It's kind of like a wooden box.
And does Charlie like to do anything in that box?
He goes down the bridge, he goes up the bridge. He likes to go on top of his house and jump off.
So tell us about his coat. He has like a light grey coat.
Yeah. When it's summer, his stripe down his back is going to turn dark. And when it's winter, he's going to turn white.
So he has a colour changing dwarf hamster?
Yeah.
That's cool. Hello, little guy. Look, I have Charlie in my hand. Oh, like look at all the small features. He has tiny ears, tiny eyes. I felt a little nibble there now. It's like a little...
And what did she use the sand bath for?
To clean himself.
And why do they go into sand instead of water?
They don't like water.
I just can't believe that he can clean himself using sand. I've never heard of that before. Oh, he's had enough of the bath.
Yeah.
Well, Grace, I can see that Charlie is the perfect pet for you and he is adorable.
He really is. Thank you so much for bringing him in to meet us. Right, I think we're meeting another animal. Any guesses?
Oh, I don't know, maybe we're going to watch a pig give birth. I mean, hello? I don't even know how to get on.
Okay. I'm on a horse. Oh, I'm riding. Oh, I'm moving. I'm moving. I'm gonna fall. No, no.
I'm on him.
Well done.
Okay.
You ready to move?
No.
Go on.
Oh, my mother's lord. Okay. Stop funny.
Yeah. Oh, Bento's going as well.
I feel like a cowboy.
Oh, trot, 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 trot. Trot, 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 trot. It's bouncing, all right.
I think I'm doing it wrong. Oh, Stephen, I'm doing it wrong. Oh, I'm trotting.
I think I pushed the farts out of him.
Stephen, we're going too fast. I'm not stable, Stephen. No, let's stick to walking. They're just show-offs.
That's it for County Galway, and we've had a fantastic time meeting all the pet crazy people and their crazy pets.
Yes, but it's time for us to hit the road to see what other cute, crazy and talented pets and animals that you guys have waiting for us. But do remember, choosing a pet is a massive decision.
That's why it's so important to do your research and make sure that you can give your pet the best possible life. Right, Demi, you ready?
Let's do this.
Let's walk. Come on.
Come.
Woo! Bye. Oh, wow.
Next time we're in Belfast to meet axolotls, some busy bees and a hairless cat.
And I'll be learning agility from an award-winning pup. Look out, Crofts!
And make sure to share pictures and videos of your pets using the hashtags on screen. Right, Demi? Let's hit the road.
See ya.
Bye.